Hi everybody, a very good morning. How you doing? I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of Amdecon Design. We are in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. And I'm the founder, the CEO. I'm the person behind the ideas and the designs and everything and the concepts that you see everywhere in on our social media pages and in our catalogs and stuff. And we when we meet in person and stuff, so we have all kinds of products which are for homes and offices and other areas where you require space purification or space enhancement. So these are offices, these are homes, these are libraries, these are studio apartments, these are malls, these are these are stuff for co-working areas. These are stuff for libraries. You have let's say you want to get into reselling or something. You want to associate for bulk orders and stuff. All of that is a possibility because we keep both home and office interior solutions and accessories, and we also do those on request, which is a big advantage for a lot of customers and clients who want preferred items and stuff. And our pricing many times are lower compared to the market depending on the design and of course the finish and stuff like that. But many a times, yes, we do also have luxury items and stuff because when you spend more you get quality items which are really useful in high-end products and homes and offices, and wear and tear and management is not a big deal. Okay, so I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm the founder. So we have we have a program in India since I'm from India, which is on Shark Tank India. I'm not a big fan of Shark Tank India because I see a lot of youth and children discussing with me and sharing with me about Shark Tank India and stuff. And honestly speaking, it's not me, but a lot of people come up with this perception that they give us a lot of negative news and stuff like that. And people who are already established brands or people who've already been through the journeys themselves, and they can see the positive, a lot of stuff that they've built up or they've participated or they've followed global Fortune 500 companies or big brands and trends, or they've seen international clientele and stuff like that, will know for sure that whatever the concept is, it does suit a certain gentry in our country and abroad and stuff. But that's not the reality because there are so many speakers out there who actually consistently share a lot of bull and crap, I would say, pardon my lingo, but a lot of nonsense stuff because it seems that they have some personal experiences. So they kind of share those, experiences and stuff like that. And it kind of, influences the minds of children and youth who are looking at entrepreneurship, or they're looking at design, or they're looking at architecture, or they're looking at starting a brand, or they're looking at a startup, or they're looking to work in the world of advertising, branding, or even research or financial industries and stuff like that. Because big research agencies like org Mag, big banks are presented in such a bad light without even you know explaining what those brands are doing and what those agencies are doing. And they're working on fantastic projects and fantastic researches. Most of the Indian and international companies, when they have to get into a socio-economic program or into some new project with some brand, bank only on those research agencies and stuff like that. So I'm inspired from that program, and I'm giving you the positive of a famous person who's also a Shark Tank star, but he's an international guy, and he's Fubu's founder. And he's his name is Damon John. And Damon John starts his article, which he's kind of been interviewed in, with saying something like "gone fishing," and he says that. During my journey of my work and my startup and stuff, where I've actually gotten into a fishing line and I've set cast in the Pacific Ocean in Los Angeles and stuff like that, I take a point to kind of look into what I'd been juggling during my appearances at Shark Tank International, where I was running this parallel brand called Fubu. And being an apparel brand, he said he would be a young hustler in Queens, New York.